What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you 7 hand-picked YouTube video ideas that you can make money with without even showing your face. But you're going to want to make sure and watch the entire video, because the last video idea I show you is going to be the best video idea. Plus, I'm going to be showing you example channels of each of these that are currently making money with each one. And I'll also be showing you secret additional ways to make money with each of these video ideas that no one even talks about. And if you stay until the end on this video, I'm going to show you a bonus method that can make you even more money online. So if you're excited, make sure to smash that like button. Let's get into the video. All right, so the first YouTube video idea I'm going to be showing are statistics videos. And I know that may sound boring, but there's actually something really cool you can do with this. And I actually even did a full video on this one topic, which I'll link to in the description if you want to check it out after this video. But this is one channel right here called Data is Beautiful, or Data is Beautiful, whatever. And you can see the type of videos that this channel makes are these bar races, right? So they just take a bunch of statistics and enter it into a software, which I showed how to do on that video, and then it just works automatically. It's really that simple. And as you can see here, they crush it. They haven't even uploaded in 6 months. Now check this out. This is a Chrome extension called Social Blade, so I can use it inside of the YouTube website, but you can just go to socialblade.com. But what it shows is your views, your estimated earnings from ad revenue, and all that. So you can see 4.7 million views in the last 30 days without even uploading in 6 months, 1.2K to 18.9K estimated monthly earnings, and you can see their yearly earnings right there. Typically, depending on the channel, it will be somewhere in the middle. Some will be much higher, some will be much lower. It really depends on what's called a CPM, which means how much they get paid per 1,000 views. So a channel about money will make a lot more money because there's more advertisers than something like this, if that makes sense. And the reason why this is the first one out of 7 is because of that reason. And also because it's not really in a niche, and the only real way you can monetize this is with ad revenue. So that's why it's so low, because you have to get at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within 12 months to be able to be inside of YouTube's partner program. But obviously, if you get a crap ton of views like this person, you still make a crap ton of money. So just keep that in mind. All right, so the second one is meditation videos. I did a complete video on this single topic as well, which I'll link to in the description below. But in that video, what I did is I taught you how to make videos like meditation music, sleep music, step by step from start to finish. And one of the biggest channels doing this is Soothing Relaxation. So if you look at their Social Blade stats, it's actually insane. In the last 30 days, almost 40 million views. Look at that, 9.9 to 157,000, and then over 2 million on the high end yearly. But there's a lot of options in the meditation space rather than doing like music or like sleep meditation, those things for like study and all that. There's things like guided meditations, which I think would be even better, because similar to the last video idea, the CPM for these types of channels won't be that high. Obviously, if you're getting 40 million views a month, you're making crazy money regardless. But something cool you could do with guided meditations as like an additional income stream is you could record like a guided meditation videotape, and then you could put it on your website or in the description of your YouTube channel and sell it for like, I don't know, 20 bucks or 10 bucks or whatever you sell it for. And the nice thing about that is you record it one time, and because it's a digital recording, you can sell it over and over and over again. So that's a nice source of passive income you could make from that really no one even talks about. So definitely look into that if that's something that interests you. Now, the third video idea is actually one of my favorite, and this is animation videos. Now, this one would probably be much higher up in the list if it wasn't for the fact that these are probably some of the harder videos to make, because you would need some sort of animation skill, which there's tons of information on the internet to learn how to do this. It's really not as hard as it was back in the day, especially with all the tools we have at our disposal nowadays. It's like the future compared to what it was back in the day. But regardless, animation videos are some of the most popular videos out there. They get insane numbers. Now, there's 2 channels that really stick out for me at least, and you've probably heard of them. It's Jaden Animations and The Odd Ones Out. These channels are killing it. Jaden Animation, 8 million. The Odd Ones Out, 15 million. If we check at their Social Blade stats, it's gonna blow your mind. So right here we got Jaden Animations. If it loads, Well, Jaden Animations doesn't want to load with the Social Blade, but the odd one's out right here. Look at this, 96 million views in the last 30 days, 24 to 386,000 per month. And remember, this is just from ad revenue. Both of these channels, because their CPM is going to be lower than other channels out there because they probably have a lot of younger demographic watching, they have a merch store. Okay, this is how a lot of big YouTubers make millions of dollars. All right, so this is probably the best way to monetize an animation channel because you can make things like with the character on the merchandise, or actually make the merchandise yourself like they do here. But probably the most simple way to do it as like a beginner, because obviously these are complete businesses at this point, they have teams behind them, all that stuff. All right, the best way to start a merch store is with a website called Teespring. And the nice thing about Teespring is you don't have to make your own website, you don't have to make your own merch. You just take a picture of your animated character, upload it to their website, and put it on a bunch of different merchandise. They have tons of different things, and then they give you a little storefront on Teespring for free. And then what they do is if someone purchases through your link on your storefront, they'll create it for you and send it out, and you keep the profit. It's called print on demand. If you want me to do a full video about that, let me know, but that's the best way to start out. And sure, if you wanted to later on make your own website with your own merch, but at the beginning, it's best to keep it simple and your costs low. I don't know much about it, but I know Adobe has like an animation thing, which you could check into if this interests you, but people are crushing it with this. It's absolutely mind-boggling, seriously. So definitely check that out if that's something that you're into, for sure. All right, next up for number 4, we have another one that I really like, and this is top 5 or top 10 videos. The nice thing about this one is you can literally make top 5 or top 10 videos about next to anything, right? So if we type in top 5 into YouTube and then go to filter and click on channel, you can see that there's a ton of different ones. Scary, top 5 unknowns, top 5 best. There's so many different types of top 5 and top 10 channels, and you can use these to get inspiration for your own channel. If I was to do this, I would do it around tech stuff, like top 5 laptops. You can find like right here, best top 5 budget laptops.
Choosing a budget laptop.
And you can see he just does a screen recording with a voiceover, right? So top tech now, and I'm sure he has, yep. So top 5 best smart TV, top 5 or top 3 best Dell laptop. And the nice thing about this, if we go back to his video and we pause it and we go to the description, you're gonna see here that he has Amazon links. And he can become an affiliate to Amazon, which means you refer people and then you get a commission. And it's super powerful because they can buy any of the 5 products and not just one product, right? The only downfall is that Amazon affiliate links are a little smaller than like say digital products, but just keep watching. I'll show you something super awesome. And I also did a full video on this, which I'll link to down below. All right, we're on to number 5 of the best video ideas. And for this one, it's actually something I need more of in my life. And this is health videos. And that could be anything like health and wellness, health and fitness, dieting, weight loss, natural remedies, things like that, right? And one channel that's doing really good with this is Natural Cures. And as you can see, they got 3.5 million views in the last 30 days. They do pretty well on ad revenue. This is actually probably higher than what they have here because the health industry, there's quite a few advertisers, but you never really know. So even if this was somewhere in the middle, that's still really good. I mean, how would you like 100K a year just from ad revenue, right? And the bonus ways to monetize these types of channels, I'll give you 2. What they're actually doing is they have a website right here, and it's like a blog website, but they also have things like recipes, they have remedies, and they have all these different things, oils you can be an affiliate for on Amazon. But another way that I haven't talked about yet is going to a affiliate network called ClickBank. And this is one of the oldest affiliate networks in the game, right? And they have so many products. And that's because the health industry is one of the largest and most profitable industries or niches on the planet. right? So you can find a ton of products on here. So after you sign up, I think there's only like 3 countries that ClickBank is not allowed in, but most countries they are. But if you just go to the marketplace up here, and then you could go to like health and fitness, green products, there's a lot of different ones. But we'll just click health and fitness, and we'll just click that. You can go further deep, but we'll just go for the entire health and fitness one. And then what you want to do is you want to rank it by gravity. That's going to be the top selling products. And then what you can see here is all you have to do once you're a member, you're automatically approved to these. So you could be like, oh, I'm going to do Lepitox, and this is something, what is Lepitox about? But you can click here and see what it's about. I think it's like, it's like a weight loss thing, but you can see this is the product, right? So if you get an affiliate link by hitting promote, you type in your account nickname, and then you generate hop link. This is what's called your affiliate link again. So you'd put that in like a link shortener like bit.ly. So I'll just show you how to do it quick so you can see if this is actually something you want to do. So you go to bit.ly.com, and then what you do is you put your link there, and then you click shorten. All right, now this is your shortened link, so you would copy that, and then you would put it in your description on your YouTube videos, and you want to make sure it's related to the type of videos you're doing, obviously. But if you wanted to go the other route and make a website like they do and have all your affiliate links and resources in there, which is a little more work up front, but it's going to be much more profitable on the back end, you can go to the link below. I'll link to Bluehost. That's the hosting provider I use for my blog, and you can get it. I think it's like $60 for like a year and a half or 2 years. So check that out. I'll link that. It'll be like the 3rd link in the description. But yeah, check that out if you're interested in writing a blog or making a blog for your YouTube website. Super powerful. But now, number 6 is actually one of the most profitable niches on this list, and this is finance videos. And there's a ton of amazing finance channels out there who don't even show their face, right? And the nice thing about this is there's so many things to talk about. You got like stock trading, dividends, Forex, all these different things. And one channel that's actually really interesting is Next Level Life. And that's because they do like these whiteboard videos with just a voiceover. And there's actually software out there that makes doing this very simple. And Social Blade doesn't want to load for him for some reason, but I put this one in here because he's like a smaller channel. Not that 122,000 is anything to scoff at, but the thing that's interesting to me is his thumbnails, right? They're really not the best thumbnails. So I feel like anyone can do this, truly. And it wouldn't be too hard to, not trying to be rude, but do things a little bit better. And one of the nice things about the finance channels and videos is because you have things like M1 Finance, Webull, Robinhood, Acorns. You can make really good affiliate commissions from those, like referral commissions, but the CPM on finance videos is astronomical compared to most of the other ones on this list. Similar to the next one I'm about to show you, so stay tuned for that. But you can get CPMs upwards of $100 on a video, with some of these other ones only getting a couple dollars per 1,000 views. And again, it's because you got these huge credit card companies and finance companies advertising on YouTube, so you make more money. And the best part is you don't have to get a ton of views to do it either, which is awesome. And like I said, the typical thing is you got companies like this that you can promote as an affiliate, and you should do that. But something that isn't in the norm that would be really cool to make some extra money is doing something like making like a membership site or maybe like a newsletter and selling it for maybe a monthly fee or a one-time fee, and then every week or every month you send out your stock options or whatever stocks you invest in or the stocks you're watching. Obviously you should actually be into it if you're doing that and not just send people like random things you have no idea about, but that's something you can make a lot of money with. Now, the 7th and the final best video idea to make money on YouTube without showing your face is not only my favorite, but in my opinion, it's the best. And this is doing videos about how to make money online. And obviously this is what I'm doing. And you could literally do the same type of videos I do, right? About making money online, making money with YouTube, affiliate marketing, whatever, and then just not show your face. I really don't suggest doing it that way because our faces and our character is what helps us stand out in a crowd. But not only that, it really helps build trust with our community much faster. However, it's totally up to you, but just remember, when I first started, it wasn't easy for me to get on camera either. Like, you just have to conquer your fear and actually do it. Although there are plenty of channels that do it without showing their face, and from what I can tell, they're doing just fine. So what do I know? And one channel is right here. here, Yori Halfway, and he makes videos about how to make money online, different ways to do it with YouTube, affiliate marketing, etc. And his face is in the thumbnails, but he doesn't actually show his face in the videos. He just edits the video, screen recording, and a voiceover. And some of the videos on my personal channel, I got CPMs from $20 all the way up to $150. So the same is probably for him. And it's crazy because I never thought like YouTube ad revenue was that much money. I almost didn't start YouTube because I was like, no one makes money from ad revenue, but it's really the riches are in the niches. I literally have 20,000 subscribers and I just crossed over $3,000 in monthly earnings from YouTube ad revenue alone, which is absolutely insane, right? And the more crazy thing is that's my smallest income stream. And with this type of niche, the two best income streams you can have is a digital course that's high ticket or promoting someone's digital course that's high ticket as an affiliate marketer. And as a beginner, I do not suggest making your own course or digital product, whatever you want to call it. Trust me, it's a lot easier said than done. However, as a beginner, you can promote proven products that are already created that are proven to make people a crap ton of money like this. And as you can see, that's the one main high ticket program I promote as an affiliate because it obviously works. Over $13,000 in the last 30 days. And it's all done on autopilot with free YouTube videos. Okay, so I have two options for you. The first link in the description is going to be the link to this program, and you can get started for just $7 with their 15-day challenge. Super valuable, probably more valuable than most high-ticket courses out there. I'm not even going to lie. I mean, this program absolutely changed my life forever, and it all started with that 15-day challenge, which literally cost me less than a large iced coffee. Literally. And because I truly believe in this program wholeheartedly and it truly changed my life, I decided to make my own program. Now that I have the success and the knowledge, I want to give it to a select group of people. So I started my own beta program and I got over 200 applications and I only accepted 7 people. And I'm showing you step by step all of my secrets that have allowed me to make over $10,000, now over $13,000 with just one single program. You're totally welcome to just get the challenge and go through it like that. But if you want to see inside my business, how I've done everything and how I've grown on YouTube so fast, definitely go to highticketyt.com, fill out the application, and maybe I'll let you in the beta group as well. But that's all I got. See you on the next video.